The Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team for 2015. It's the Red Arrows! Now. Hold in the lane. Now, tight. In the left-hand zone you hear Red 1 call the pilots into 9-arrow formation. The aircraft will now close to around 6 feet away from each other as they form one big red arrow in the sky. Leading the team this year is Red 1 squadron leader David Montenegro. It's his first year as the team's leader. He is a former Hawk flying instructor and Tornado F3 air defense pilot. He spent 3 years with the Red Arrows previously from 2009 to 2011, including leading the synchro pair. Now in from the left, this is 9-arrow.
You're watching the Red Arrow.
9. Roll back rapidly there to form chevron on Red 1's command. As 6 and 7 move from there. Celebrate the 75th anniversary and to honour all of those who have secured our skies in the past and continue to do so in the present. This shape is Spitfire. And while we honour all of those who have secured our skies and continue to do so in the current, we actually need to think that it's not just the pilots who secure the skies. We operate on the entire whole force concept, relying on every single member of the armed forces to conduct our operations. It's no different on the Red Arrows. While there are 9 pilots in front of you, it does take the entire 120-strong personnel on the team to keep the aircraft flying. Now in from the left, this is our trademark shape. Cameras ready for Diamond.
Hey?
Now start to roll around Red 6 before they split. This is the Vortex. Get your cameras ready as we show you Blackbird. Now. Hold in the base. Now tight. Nay. Completed the Vortex. This is the Twister. Hold in the base. Now tight. Nay. Next call you'll hear is threshold from the pilots. That means they've reached a geographical point on the ground, the contract to continue the manoeuvre.
Oh, just wait.
Notice that these pilots are avoiding each other 3 times in this manoeuvre, putting 6G, and at each of the crosses they have swapped their smoke colour using the individual colour control buttons on the aircraft's control column. Now, tight. Zebra finishes out to our front outside into rollbacks. Reds 8 and 9 roll around them in the corkscrew. The Royal Air Force's newest fighter, where his primary role was what I've just been talking about, securing the skies. The Typhoon Force are on constant readiness 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, making sure that our skies are secure. And that's exactly what Tom was doing before he joined the team. Now out to the right, you'll see the diamond has got a bit wider as we get ready to see a new manoeuvre for 2015. The smoke comes on, get ready for the whirlwind. Some more rollbacks coming towards you now, the flat option for this part of the design. Now we're getting a barrel roll in, we move to the rolling display. Red 6 is now upside down, the other 3 are the right way up. And as they fly this high as 2.5 G barrel roll, everything in Red 6 is to your right. Get your cameras ready, this is a very special moment. You can see 2 Hurricanes and 2 Spitfires of the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight in formation with the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. Now I'm going to be quiet so you can hear the fantastic sound of these engines in formation. Enid split at the top, now keep your eyes on Jippo underneath.
Please don't die on me.